Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at traffic rules PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. As always with my classes, the first slide is a rule slide where we go over the rules, and I advise the students if they follow the rules, then we get a reward at the end of the class. So this whole PowerPoint is about traffic rules, specifically the lights, but also a few other things as well. And it's aimed for the lower grades of primary and elementary schools in China. So first we go over the traffic lights. So red is stop, yellow is wait, green is go. And for each one that I get them to do, we drill, but also we do TPR. So stop, we put out our hands, wait, we tap our watches, and go, we move our arms and legs in the spot. And then we go to a game, let's stop, wait, go. So it's the traffic lights game basically. If you've got some room in your class, you can do the traffic lights game where you tell them to stop, wait and go. It's kind of like a variation on What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? But you just search on YouTube for traffic light game or playground game and you'll get a couple of different examples. It's very simple. If you don't have room in the classroom, you can get them to do it like on the spot and just do it more of a Simon Says sort of game. So we'll play this game, get them moving around a little bit, and then we're going to come back to another little slide where we're actually getting them to use the vocab in sentences. So the light is red, stop. The light is yellow, wait. The light is green, go. Also, I included a fish that flies in this slide. Why? It's just funny and a bit random, and it just goes with my sense of humor. And they seem to find it funny because I say the fish is going, the fish go, go, go. And here we're going to do some comprehension questions. So I'm going to show them the traffic lights, and they've got multiple choice to choose which is the correct answer. So we go through those comprehension questions, and then we're going to sing a song about the traffic lights. Back from the song and the dancing, we're then going to do some more drills, but this one is more sentences about other rules of the road. So we'll include the ones that from before, look at the light, it's red, let's stop, but also we'll have ones like stop by the road. And look at the right, look at the light, it's green, let's go. And cross the road. So we'll do a couple of quick comprehension questions here, which are multiple choice, and then we're going to do some more songs. So this particular lesson is heavily stacked with songs, as it can be a bit dry, so I'm trying to include as many songs as I can. The first video is actually not a song, it's just like a video promoting street and road safety, and it shows consequences in a cartoon form of what happens if you don't. And then we're going to read a story. This one is about a car that's stuck, and it's using the vocab go plus some family members along with the traffic lights vocabulary. It is not related to traffic lights, but it's using the vocabulary in a different way. And then we're going to do some more comprehension questions all together, testing what they've already learnt. And then we're going to do some more songs, so getting them up and singing and dancing. And going back, we're going to read a quick funny story about Garfield using that vocabulary. always gets them laughing. And then we're going to do that either Simon Says, Let's Stop, Wait or Go game, or we're going to do the traffic lights game again. And that's the end of the video and the class. If you enjoyed that video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And remember to check out the link below to download the PowerPoint lesson.